Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve no media query found problem. To use mediaquery.of function, first you need to wrap your widget with material app. Even after that, you may get the error. To solve this error fully, you need to place material app widget like below. Here we have used mediaquery.of function inside material app widget, and we have created different class for home attribute of material app. Wrap material app widget mediaquery widget to escape the error. In this way, you can solve no mediaquery widget found error in Flutter application. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.